girl. This is Veronica's little baby sister, baby Felicia. Oh, hey there, Felicia. Oh my, she's really crying. Well, that's the problem, Rebecca. Felicia won't stop crying, and we tried everything. Gee, we already changed her diaper and took her for a walk, and we just fed her. Well, what else can we do? Just fed her, eh? Well, did you guys try burping her? No, we haven't. Well, that explains why that she's crying. After you feed a baby, you gotta burp her. Oh, come here, baby Felicia. It's okay. Rebecca's here. You know, to get my little baby sister to burp, my mom always patted her on the back and sang it a song, just like this.
Top, top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle. Top, top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle.
Come on, let's all pet baby Felicia.
Top, top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle. Top, top, bottom, bottom, middle, middle, middle.
Oh, excuse you. Thanks for the help, Rebecca. And thank you, too. Anytime, girls, but just try to keep it down, will ya? Anytime, Rebecca. We'll try to keep it down next time.